Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video will be on how to make your coconut chinchin. I'll be showing you how to make this. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. These are the ingredients needed. I'll be writing them down also in the description box below. First, you get 2 cups of your flour. Pour in a bowl. Add your baking powder, sugar, coconut powder, flakes or flour, coconut flour. Add also nutmeg, your salt, and then your margarine. Then mix all together. Add 1 egg and mix also. Then add half cup of milk. Mix properly to form a dough. This is what we have now. After this, get a clean cloth and cover it. Cover the dough, then set it aside for 1 hour. After that, bring out your dough and knead once more. Sprinkle flour on the surface. Then knead once more. Cut your dough into halves. Then set one part aside. Roll out the other one. Use your knife or pizza cutter to cut to chinchin size. The pizza cutter is easier, but you have to guide your hand through it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do share this video and give this video a thumbs up. Sprinkle flour on it to avoid it sticking to one another. Then cut to chinchin size. While doing this, heat oil in a pot and then pour in the items in the hot oil to fry. Stir to avoid it sticking in the pot. Stir very well to avoid it also from burning. Then once it is light or dark brown according to your desired color, you can bring them out and allow them to cool. Repeat for the other dough which we set aside before, and then fry. Our coconut chinchin is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Have you tried this recipe before or you intend to? Please write that down in the comment section below. Bye. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye.